Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have an issue on Roblox where your ping is high while you play the game and you want to fix that issue, today in this video I'll provide you with some fixes that you can try, and they are basically very easy if you follow up with me carefully. First, it's very useful to have one of these data or internet monitors in the bottom because it shows you if your internet is being used by something in your PC behind your back basically. You can open your task manager and then tap on network, and whatever is using your internet the most is going to be displayed here on top. As you can see, I have nothing really consuming internet, but if I'm going to show you using this example, just follow up with me. I'm going to open my browser just like that. That enough, or that alone is not enough, so I'm going to go ahead and open YouTube, wait for it to load up, and just basically I'm going to find a video to play in the background. Go ahead and choose a random video. Of course, an ad is going to take 2 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and skip it. And now I have this video playing in the background. If I go ahead and open my task manager, it pops up in the top that Chrome is using internet. And if I'm playing the game and that's an issue to me, I can right click and then tap on end task. Same way I can do that to any program that shows up here that is using internet behind my back that is not necessary or that I do not need. That probably fixes the problem most of the time. Now, if it doesn't, go ahead and open your browser and just Google speed test. The first result should look like this. What you need to do is to simply tap on run speed test. Give it some time, might take a minute. Now what this does basically is it will show you if you have good or bad internet. If you have good internet, that means the issue is not in the internet, obviously, it's in your PC. You need to follow one of the previous or the following steps that I'm going to show you. If you have bad internet, that means the issue is on your internet. As you can see guys, it says that internet here is fast. My ping is low, it's 1 millisecond, it's very good. If you have bad internet, that means the issue is out of your hand kinda. But you can do something about it. You need to go ahead and call your internet providers and tell them about your issue, basically tell them about all the details, and hopefully they can come up with a fix or fix the issue from their part very quickly. Now what you can do also from here is search in the bottom for control panel and then go ahead and open it from here. Tap on hardware and sound, open that. And then from here find device manager and again go ahead and open it. Then from here search for network adapters. From here right click on every single one of these and tap on update driver. Basically once you update these, that should fix the ping issue. Anyways, once you tap on update driver, just go ahead and tap on search automatically. Sometimes it finds an update, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it tells you that the version you have is the most suitable one. Anyways, go ahead and update all of them if you can. Once you're done, that should fix the issue. Now if that doesn't, there is also something that some people do and sometimes it works. Go ahead and open settings within Chrome browser, then go to language, and then from here choose English. Now sometimes when you choose English, the servers or the game chooses the best servers, and that will result in good ping from your part. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.